let me just share this. You know, there is a portion of business acumen and business tactics that are becoming obsolete. They're becoming obsolete. Let me give you some facts and some statistics of just what's going on in the world right now, right? What's going on in the world right now. So we know that we have had 3 banks collapse in the last few months. And in 2008, 25 banks collapsed. Let me just tell you the difference in today and in 2008. 2008, about approximately, and guys, don't look this up and go, oh my God, she's lying because she was $7 off. I'm going to give you an approximate amount here. In 2008, 25 banks collapsed to the tune of $300 plus billion dollars, $300 billion plus dollars. Over the last few months, we've had 3 bank collapses to the tune of $500 billion plus. Now, why does this matter to the person on this training right now who is looking to start their coaching business or start their consulting business or get more clients in real estate? It matters a lot because there has never been a more critical time for you to understand how to build your own economy. Put "build my own economy" in the chat. That's what we're going to be doing over the next few days. And I hear people say things that they aren't clear about the economy. People hear news sound bites and they say things about the economy. People say, I don't even want to listen to things about the economy. But here's what I can tell you, is that I built my business in 2008. I built my business in 2008. Do you know why it was one of the best times to build a business? Because there was some uncertainty. When there is uncertainty, certain people win. That's your first writer downer of the event. When there is uncertainty in the world, certainty always wins. So what does that mean? The maybes are going to lose. The we'll sees are going to lose. The I'm not sure is going to lose. The indecision is going to lose. It's going to be hard for the undecided. It's going to be the hard for the let me figure it out. But the yeses will go through this period in time, not just economically, but this period in time that is going on in the world that will all take place, and the yeses and the certainty and the clarity will actually come out in a better place. And we have seen it. I'm not going to take you through history this morning, but you can do your own research and you can see that during uncertain times, that is where businesses are built. It's where millionaires are made. It's where financial security is created. It is where legacy wealth is created, and you have that opportunity. The other side of that is during uncertain times is where there is the most opportunity for you to have an impact on the world. People are looking for answers. Just literally read the news and see that we are headed towards mass layoffs in many, many industries, which means I'm going to say some things, and if this is a field you work in, put me in the chat. We're going to go into mass layoffs, which means people will be seeking career advice, career counseling, career coaching, career support. Look, Mega's saying me. We are looking at a shift in economy, a shift in the workplace, which means people are going to be highly stressed. They are going to be worried. The uncertain people will lack clarity. So if you work in clarity, put me. If you work in stress and anxiety, they're going to need to make new decisions for their business and their life. If you help people with making decisions, if you help people finding a new path for themselves, that is what they're going to need. They are going to build businesses. There is always an entrepreneurial boom during uncertain times because people go, just like happened during the pandemic, people go, all right, well, I need to do something. So, hey, maybe this is my shot. Maybe this is my moment. Maybe this is the time, getting that small severance or getting that layoff is my ticket to going out on my own. So if you work with people in building businesses or supporting them in building businesses, put me in the chat.